Here's what's moving cannabis markets today. Aphria reported its results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year ending May 31st, 2019. The company's net income was $15.8 million and adjusted EBITDA of $0.2 million or $200,000. Aphria's net revenue was $128.6 million in the fourth quarter, an increase of 75% from prior quarters and 969% up from prior year. Cash and cash equivalents were reportedly $571 million. Canntrust announced that it will likely miss its filing deadline of August 14, 2019 to file an interim financial report for the 3- and 6-month periods ending June 30, 2019. Management is of the view that there is significant uncertainty with respect to the potential impact of pending Health Canada decisions on the valuation of the company's inventory and biological assets and revenue recognition. Cronos Group has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire 4 of Redwood Holding Group operating subsidiaries. Redwood manufactures, markets, and distributes hemp-derived CBD-infused skincare and other consumer products online and through retail and hospitality partner channels in the United States under the brand Lord Jones. Cronos Group will acquire Redwood for approximately $300 million USD. The transaction is expected to close in the third quarter of 2019. WeedMD has secured a Health Canada license amendment approval to expand production into 10 additional 10,000 square foot cultivation rooms and 10 new processing rooms at its Strathroy, Ontario hybrid greenhouse. Licensing of the 20 additional rooms and ancillary space more than doubles WeedMD's licensed greenhouse production space. Additionally, 27 acres of outdoor grow on the property was licensed and planted in June of this year. The Green Organic Dutchman has renewed its Health Canada licenses for the company's Ancaster, Ontario facility until August of 2022. As per the cannabis regulations, these licenses authorize TGOD to cultivate, process, and sell cannabis from its Ancaster site. Tetral Biopharma has completed the non-brokered private placement offering announced on July 30th. Some of the corporation's directors, officers, consultants, and employees purchased an aggregate of 870,000 units of the corporation at a price of 30 cents per unit for aggregate gross proceeds of $261,000. Each unit issued in the private placement consists of 1 common share and 1 common share purchase warrant at an exercise price of 40 cents per common share. Tetral Biopharma intends to use net proceeds to continue the development of its clinical trials. Suniva announced the closing of its previously announced non-brokered private placement of $5.7 million for a total of 5.7 million units of the company. Proceeds of the offering will be used to provide short-term working capital for operations in California. The company anticipates holding a secondary closing of the offering within the next 10 business days. And that's your news for today. If you want to hear more on weed stocks, check out Cannabis Daily at MidasLayer.com.